Lucy. Hey. Is that mommy?
Wave hi. Wave.
Hi, mommy. Hi, mommy. Hi.
Say hi.
Hi, mommy.
I can do it by myself, Daddy.
Oh, sure she can. Hey, Lisa kid. Huh? Looking for something to grab onto? Oh, oh. You don't look too amused. Oh, oh. No?
What are you doing, baby girl? What are you doing, Lucy Lou? Yeah. You're such a big girl. Did you find Daddy's pen? Was that a burp? Hope there's no icky coming out. That tasted gross. Are you ready for dinner?
Yay.
You want some nom noms?
Yay!
Can you say peas, please? Do you want yeah, you want peas. Oh, give me the peas now. Okay. I'll see you later. Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. Wave, yay, bye-bye. Okay, see you later.